What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn what to do when you see this issue into your YouTube channel, okay? This channel does not exist. It used to happen with new YouTube channels with low videos, low comments, low subscribers, but it's a quite common issue, and from the YouTube support libraries you cannot see very useful information about how to fix it. So after searching a lot, I found a safe way in order to make your channel come back without losing your comments or other things like this, okay? And in fact, it's not that hard, okay? It's just a hidden feature from Google, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's continue, okay? So this is a new channel by one of our projects, okay? The growth, and the channel does not exist. But if I go to YouTube Studio after login, here is the studio, okay? You can see the information right here. So the channel exists, but not displayed publicly. How to fix it? All I have to do is go to settings, okay? From the YouTube Studio into the bottom of the left sidebar, go to channel, go to feature eligibility, okay? Aqui, ó. Intermediate features, okay? Phone number verification. So this is the simple setting that is missing from this YouTube channel, okay? Go to verify phone number button, text with the verification code, enter the number, you're gonna receive a phone verification code into your mobile, okay, into a text message. Now you must enter with the 6-digit code, okay, and submit. Phone number verified, okay? The phone now is verified. So if I go to back to your YouTube Studio, channel, eligibility, the step 2, it's enabled, okay? The step 3 gonna be enabled as soon as I upload some videos. But if I go to my channel now, instead of channel does not exist, I can see the channel fine and working, okay? Simple, easy and fast, and no need to delete channel, delete comments or other complicated things, okay? And it is, I hope this video helps you, okay, in order to fix this. Let me know into the comments if this works or not for you, so we can try to help with other ways. And don't forget to check out the Borderless plugin by Visual Modo. It's free, and the Enzu theme by Visual Modo is free as well. Go to visualmodo.com, follow us on subscribe, share to your friends, and come back here tomorrow for more videos. And it is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!